It's so gutter out here in the scope, nigga. The motherfucking seagull, nigga, is killing the motherfucking pigeon, nigga. That's how gutter it is out here, nigga. It just smacked the pigeon, nigga. Nigga, it's a motherfucking, nigga, little situation out here in the city, nigga. Everybody get the business, nigga, on everything, nigga. You see that, nigga, and that motherfucker still alive. The pigeon's still moving, though. He's still alive. Like, nigga, you're not going nowhere. You see it, nigga. He trying to fly off and he's spooked, nigga. Guns on deck. Oh, nigga, look at it, nigga. It's spunky. He trying to get away, nigga. It's a wrap, nigga. He out that thing, nigga.